Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of EURJPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got 3 lines here drawn on the chart, and I have given special importance special importance to this particular level. So let's try to analyze the chart first. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of EURJPY, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. So let's get started. So as you can see that this market or this chart is in downtrend, because if you look at the overall trend of the market here, then we can easily see that previously it was going up, but right now market is under the influence or the dominance of sellers. There is no doubt that, or there should not be any doubt that this market is in downtrend. And as we all know, trading on a trending market is easier in comparison to sideways market. Okay, but market was trending. But if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that market may be in a downtrend. Overall trend may be towards the downside. But if we just focus or observe this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that this market is sideways right now. Okay, try to understand my point here. Overall, the chart is in downtrend. Okay, but if we just look at the present portion of the chart here, then we can easily see that this market is sideways. And if we follow the rules of the market, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market, which says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. If a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. But if we look at this here, then this market is sideways. In a sideways market means there is no trend in a market. In sideways market, we get opportunities on both the side. Listen to me carefully. In sideways market, we get opportunities on both the side, because market is not being dominated by buyers or sellers. The number of buyers and number of sellers are almost equal. As a result, we can take trades on both the sides. Clear? Okay. So let's try to understand these lines here first. Okay. So first and foremost, let me talk about this particular line here, the trend line, the long trend line. As you can see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and this dynamic resistance is a very strong one, because you can see whenever market is trying to go up since June, whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing severe selling pressure from above. As a result, price failed to go up at each and every time, because this trend line was standing as a resistance for the market. And you can see that we are right now in the month of August. Okay, and this trend line is still acting as a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, my dear friends, if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis. Okay, so we have a strong resistance in the form of a trend line. Clear? So the second important line for this market is this. If you can see that I have also drawn another trend line here. Okay, if you do not want to draw a trend line here, then you can also draw a rectangle box here. Okay, but I prefer to draw lines, so that's why I have drawn a line here. Anyways, the thing is that, oh sorry, cancel. Well, the thing is that right now market is just standing at a support here, because this line is acting as a support here. So this was the first touch, this was the second touch, and this was the clear-cut indication that market is respecting or trying to respect this line as a support here. So we have a resistance and we have a support, and you can see that right now market is trading in a very narrow range here. See, market is trading a very narrow range here, therefore there is not much volatility also, so therefore you should not trade here. Though market is standing at the support, though we have a resistance also, still you should not trade as long as market is trading in this narrow range, because see, there is not much movement, there is not much space here for the market to move, therefore you should not trade here. Market is trading in a very narrow range here, so avoid Euro JPY as long as it is trading in that particular narrow range here. And if we go to Forex sentiment meter, the Forex sentiment meter is available on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So you can see that in the Forex sentiment meter, 45% retail traders have taken short position and 54% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also very much confused right now. They are also in dilemma whether the market will be going up or market will be going down, because it is quite natural for any trader to get confused whenever you'll find a market trading in a narrow range like this, because you do not have any proper idea where the market will be moving. And if you go to the Forex volatility calculator here, then you can see that in the Forex volatility calculator, in the 15 minutes you can hardly expect a movement of 3.5 pips. In the 30 minutes chart, you can expect a movement of again 2.7 pips. In the 1 hour 5.2 pips. In the 4 hours only 27 pips. So if the same or similar volatility remains on Monday as well, so definitely you can understand that there is not much volatility. If there is no movement in the market, how can you make money? So the thing is simple. As long as market is trading in this range, avoid Euro JPY, okay, and wait for the market to either cross this level, this resistance line, or this line. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? So wait for the market to either cross this level or this level. If you find market crossing this red line or this trend line, which is the resistance, then wait for 4 to 6 hours. Listen to me carefully. You should wait for at least 4 to 6 hours, because this trend line has been acting as a resistance for the market for quite some time. Therefore, you need confirmation. So if you find market trading comfortably after 4 to 6 hours as well, then you can easily go for buy above this trend line. Okay, if you find market trading comfortably above this trend line for 4 to 6 hours, then you can easily go for buy. On the other hand, if market crosses this support level, then again wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is doing after 4 to 6 hours. If you see that selling pressure is still there on the market after 4 to 6 hours as well, then you can short the market below this level. Clear? And if you go for a buy here above this level, if you go for a buy here, just keep in mind that you need to exit by 130.50. You must exit by 130.50, because this level belongs to the weekly chart. Okay, this level belongs to the weekly chart. See, this is the weekly chart of Euro JPY, and you can see that there is a strong resistance on the Euro JPY chart. Therefore, 130.50 is your exit price or take profit target in the Euro JPY chart. If market, listen to me, if market crosses this trend line, then only. Okay, so buy above here, sell below this line if the market favors. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.